Exercise 4. Beside the solving step, you have to figure out the constant number by using more information about x and about y, and after that you can see you can solve the final answer for figure out the value of c. Example question question A, you got dy over dx like here, and then I will rewrite it like dy over y square and 3x square multiply dx here. This is integral, and this one also be the integral. You can simplify, or you can integral dy over y square become to minus 1 over y. The other side will be x cubed plus 3, but after this step we can use in this one. 3 1 is mean x equal to 3 and y equal to 1. Substitute it into this equation. You got here is 1, here is 3 cubed plus c, and 27 minus 1 plus c. And after that, you will got 28 minus 28 equal to c. It means the final answer for this question is minus 1 over y x cubed and minus 20 minus 28. Yeah, that is the first. Question B, the same idea, but the first step I have to rewrite add common here by dy over dx form, and the other side will be unchanged like this one. Okay, so square root of y will multiply dy here, and x plus 1 will be multiplied by dx here and here. Y 1 over 2 will plus 1 is mean 3 over 2. 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2 is mean multiply 2 over 3. So the left hand side we finished. How about the right hand side? Y x squared divided by 2 plus h and plus c here. What does this mean? f0 equal to 4 is mean x equal to 0 and y will be 4. So y will be 4. You got here is 4 3 to power 4 to power of 3 over 2. And the left hand and the right hand side, this is 0 and this one is 0, and here is c. Okay. And how about this? You got 2q here, and it means c will be 16 over 3. 16 over 3. So the final answer will be the same with this one, but I have the more value for c. 2 over 3 y to power of 3 over 2 x squared divided by 2 plus h and plus 16 over 3. That is question B. Question C. Given 1 3 line on the curve, okay, 1 3 about c and about y, you got here is y dy and x dx divided by x square minus 2 square here. This one is integral and this one is integral. And the left hand side is quite easy, but this one in the right hand side is not easy anymore. So I will separate with the 2 steps. About the left hand side, I'm got y multiplied dy here, so y squared over 2. This is the first integral we finished. The second integral, you will got x like here, so the best method for this integral is substitution. But the other way you can solve it with this one, something like here. You got, when I want to set x inside the dx here, you will got d of x squared over 2, right? X squared over 2. So the 1 over 2 in this bracket, I can put it outside the bracket like this. And after that, I just only dx squared. And then you got x squared minus 2 in the denominator square like this one. And then I will change from dx squared become to dx squared minus 2. From here, you will got 1 over 2 x squared minus 2 to power of minus 2 dx squared minus 2. So the variable will be x squared minus 2 have the power number is minus 2. I can change this or integral this become to minus 1 over minus 1 here, and after that I'm got minus 1 over 2 multiply x squared minus 2 by this way. And after that, we combine both sides of this equation. This will be y squared over 2 equal to minus 1 through here x squared minus 2 and plus c. How about c from now? You got x is 1 and y is 3 here. So here is 9 over 2. Here is minus 1 over 2 times minus 1. Yeah, minus 1 here. So here the 1 over 2, c equal to 4. C will be equal to 4. So the final step will be the same with this equation, but only the difference is plus 4, not plus c anymore. Yeah, that is question C. We finish this one. Question D, you got the trigonometric equation. Yeah, a little trigonometric. And then, so the first step, I got dy over y and sine x times dx. Integral, ln absolute value of y, and then you got minus cos x and plus c here. And after that, you will got ln 1, yeah, minus cos pi over 2 and plus c. Cos pi over 2 is mean 0. And here is 0, and cos of pi over 2 also be 0. So that's why I'm got c equal to 0. The final answer only have ln absolute value y and minus cos x like this. Yeah, that is the answer for question D. Question 5, for one differential equation, you got two initial points A and B. So what does that mean? I need to solve this one first with the constant number plus c. So you got here is y dy and x plus 1 dx like this. Integral in left, integral in right. You got y squared over 2 equal to x squared divided by 2 plus h and then plus c. So for question A, you got minus 2, 4 is mean x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 4. And the left hand side, you will have 16 over 2. Right hand side, you got 4 over 2 minus 2 plus c. Here is 8. Here is 2 minus 2 plus c. So c here equal to 8. That's why the final answer for question A, you will have y squared over 2 equal to x squared divided by 2 like this step. Yeah. And how about question B? The question B, you just only have the different value for x and y. X equal to y and y equal to minus 1. So compared to the general formula like here, you got minus 1 is mean 1 over 2. 25 over 2 plus 25 like this. Yeah, so after here you can simplify it. It will become to 12 plus 25 plus 12 to 25 is 37. So minus 37 will be the value for C. And the answer for this question, you got the different value for C. This is not plus 8 anymore. That is minus 37. Yeah, that's it. We finished question 5. It's not too difficult, right? I think until now you understand most about the differential equation.